Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to secure your WhatsApp account. Nowadays, some people's WhatsApp account has been hacked and their WhatsApp account contact also compromised by using hacked WhatsApp number. This has happened for many reasons. Download and install the unauthorized app in your mobile and make it visibility your details to public view. Then not set up the phone lock. This is really security issues. So the WhatsApp provides the security features to protect your WhatsApp account. Let's learn how you can set up this. Open the WhatsApp, then click on the more icon. Here you have to click on the settings. Then you have to click on the account. Here you have to click on the privacy. In this section you have to set the last seen as a my contact. Also, the profile photo you should not share with anyone without your contacts. So you have to set up the my contact and about details. Your details also you have to share only for your contacts. So you have to set up the my contact. In the status you have to set up my contact. Now you have to go back. Then you have to click on the two-step verification. Here you have to enable the two-step verification. This is extra security to protect your WhatsApp account. So click on the enable. Then you have to enter the 6-digit number. If you would like to enter the email address, whenever you forgot the PIN, you can recover to your PIN number through your email address. Click on the done button to enable the two-step verification. This will be really protect your WhatsApp account. This will be frequently asking for the PIN number to protect your account. So then go back, then click on the security. Here you have to enable the show security notification. This will be really secure your account information by notification. So you must enable this option. All of this setups really secure your WhatsApp account. Thanks for watching this video. If you would like more technology videos, subscribe this channel. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.